She's well tucked in a blanket in the basket of a backseat of a wagon that don't run on air. If you can't afford the fuel, pray you get the...
Hey everyone, it's Fabson again, and I'm still in Alexandria, and I have to hurry a bit because I have to attend at the Yacht to complete my 1 month stay here. It's gonna be my last day today, and today is gonna be a special day because I'm gonna do a photo shooting at the production part of the company. So De Beers is building very fancy boats called yachts, and they need some new photographies of that part, so this is what I'm doing today. The past month I was mostly doing CI related stuff, completed their corporate design, and today is gonna be also my last day of very fanciness. Okay. The other good news is, as soon as I'm out of Egypt, I'm totally getting a haircut.
When they rearrange, tending the garden of change. Weeds come in and they rearrange. Maybe it's the angle of the sun when it's such a twisted light, or the impossible darkness of the stars.
Okay, they just smuggled me in because my passport for the duty-free zone is expired, and it seems like it's a common thing here, smuggling someone in.
Get to leave. Get to leave.
Just for 5 minutes.
Rumors of a better.
Thanks very much.
A nickel's worth of comfort and a thimbleful of love.
Can you bring it to the outside of the yard on the street so that I have the view on the whole building? Yeah, to the street. Thank you.
Get to leave. Get to leave.
Okay, just a bit closer to this one. Yeah.
Rumors of a better world once we get to shadowing the season of change. Big winds blow in your
Okay.
Chokran.
Chokran. Yes, perfect. Thank you very much.
Maybe it's the angle of the sun when it's such a twisted light, or the impossible darkness of the starless night. Triangle of through lovers in need of fresh flight, or the maniac mindings of a monocled monk with a nickel's worth of comfort and a thimble full of luck. May you make out with a buck.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. Alright, I'm on my way home, and I'm gonna get some seafood for my last day.
Get to leave. Get to leave. Get to leave. Get to leave.
So, that was my last day at De Beers, a yacht building company. And I'm gonna go to have a break for around 2 weeks. Gonna go to Denmark, and after that I'm gonna head on to Ethiopia. What I'm gonna do there, we'll see. I don't know yet, I haven't found anything yet, but I haven't searched so far. So I'd like to thank all my Egyptian colleagues at the company, as well as Chris for giving me a home. And looking forward to see you again one day. Shukran.